Hey, this is going to be a quick video. I was at this customer's house and she noticed that the water's overflowing on her gutter and that it was sagging out, and you can see there where one of the hangers pulled loose and the gutter's sagging out, and it's also popped out from underneath the drip edge. You can see it right there. So and what happened is, the reason that this is happening is because this downspout right here is clogged. You can see where the downspout is right here. Let's see if we can go ahead and pull this clog out of here real fast. Whoa. All that water from down there clogged up, but now that'll relieve all that pressure on that sag, and once it all drains out, I can go ahead and push it up and put a new fastener in there. Okay, so we got a lot of the water drained out of here, but it's not draining right here because it's sagging. But this problem would never have happened if, see, this hanger's still on there, but they didn't hit the gutter properly. So the back of the gutter didn't have a chance. And not only that, on that one, excuse me, I'm a little out of breath, but this is the same way. This isn't in there. But when they put it through there, it didn't hit the back of the gutter. See, it barely tipped the edge. So yeah, that back of that gutter just slid right out with all that water weight. As soon as that got clogged up, that's where the problem started.